All right, hey guys, Gary Jr., Trail Boss, Landover ATV UTV Club. If you're watching this video, we have awesome news, and that means that the trail system is open for the 2022 season.
Oh my God! Okay, it's happening. Everybody stay calm.
What's the procedure, everyone? What's the procedure?
Stay calm.
Is that so, Gary Jr.? Landover Trail Boss, Gary Jr.
Yeah.
Yeah?
That's for sure. We got a little bit of bugs going on here, so it's kind of everybody's, you know, we're trying not to show that they're here, but they're here.
So do you have any new trail updates, any changes or things that people need to be aware of?
A lot of the stuff on the system basically has stayed the same for 2022. We are working hard on a couple connections with over by Chain of Lakes Road and a couple that are over by the 70 and 17 towards H. We've been working on that for a while. We're trying to get some info on that. Our trail crew worked really hard. They got out there immediately, worked around. We had a lot of brush down. We had a lot of signage issues, just, you know, basically stuff that fell down or fell over from all the storms. And the crew got out there and basically got Conover, Phelps, Land O'Lakes, and Eagle River all fixed up.
Do you want to talk about some of the fundraisers that are planned for this summer and that sort of thing? Yeah,
for sure. So we've got hot off the press literally today, and I don't know how well you can see this. We've got the Landover ATV Club Epic Cash Raffle. We went away from the UTV raffle for this year and decided to just go all cash. I think everybody likes cash. I think most of us like UTVs and ATVs, but everybody definitely likes cash. So we got first prize of $5,000, second prize of $2,500, and third through 12th, $250. So you guys get your money back and then some. Only 250 tickets available, and that's it on this raffle. Depending on how this raffle goes and if we sell out, maybe we'll do another raffle, but we had to put an end date on it, so it is towards the end of the season. Since there's only 250 tickets available, not everybody will have them. Got the tickets right here, like I said, hot off the press. I'll have tickets, probably Ron Jr. will have tickets, Don Cordy will have tickets, Lindsay will have tickets, and then a select amount of businesses. We're also going to have a poker run that's already set up. We've done it in the past years. That poker run this year is going to be earlier than normal, and that poker run is going to be July 1st to August 6th, ending on August 6th at the Conover Park Recreational Pavilion. So I don't know the number of sponsors yet. It's a pretty good amount. You'll have to get 20 sponsors. We're going to figure out what you're going to get. You're going to get a meal and all that with your entry.
Okay, well that's awesome. And then Lindsay, would you care to tell the ladies and gentlemen about the coupon book?
Sure, and more info to come about the poker run. But anyways, yes, we have the coupon book here. It's the Meals, Wheels, and Deals that we have every single year. It is our coupon book that is presented to our sponsors, our business sponsors. They are given the option to put a coupon in our coupon book right here. And that is so that we can maybe push some business to their establishments to thank them basically for their support to our trail system and our club. There's 110 coupons in this coupon book, and they're all great. Pretty much 2 coupons would pay for the entire $20 book, and they don't expire except for one of them. All 109 of them expire May 15th, 2023. So you can get these, you can pick these up at most of your local businesses that support our club. And if you need to reach out to me, Junior, or Ron Jr., or anybody who is, you know, a part of our club, we can always get these out to you at any time that you need them. So those are also hot off the press today.
Awesome.
Yes, sir.
So these should be all circulating within the next week, I would say.
How about maps?
So the maps are, I don't want to say delayed, they're just slightly behind. There was a lot of work going into it. either way, there's a lot of work. Even though there's not a lot of changes to the map portion, there was a few changes. There's still new sponsors. There's, you know, sponsors change out a little bit, and so that map is being printed basically as we're talking about it here. So we should have that map by the end of the week, and then our goal is to get out and get to all the sponsors. We have over 100 sponsors, so with the few amount of volunteers, it takes a little bit of time to get out and distribute that to all the sponsors. So the map's going to be cool. We changed it up a little bit, added some stuff in there for legality and where you should be riding and where you shouldn't be riding.
So we're kind of getting the end of the questions I can think of anyway. What would you like to say to the folks who are current members, and what would you maybe like to say to encourage people to become a member of the Landover ATV Club?
Well, I think I can speak for the whole club in saying we appreciate everybody being a member. I think some people think because you're a member you have to get out and do boots on the ground. That's not necessarily true. If you want to help us, we'll take the help. Just let us know. We'll find something for you to do. There's always stuff on the trail system, whether it's cleaning up sticks, checking signs, getting rid of rocks. You know, there's always something to do, but if you don't want to do any of that, that's all right. We like your money too. So it's going to cost a lot more money this year than it has in the past to get out there and grade trails with the fuel. That's something that's beyond our control. We're going to try to step it up even more than we did, but it's still going to take, you know, it's going to be more money. And if you have extra to give, we appreciate it. And we really like, you know, we'll do whatever we can do. So.
And then also the membership forms, there is a cutout in the map, and there's also a page in the coupon book if you want to mail that in to become a member. And the other thing that should be of a good note for people in our area, I know Northland Pines does this. It's a great opportunity for those kids to get their volunteer hours, their community service hours. So those forms I know need to be filled out, and I know that there's a lot of people parents who have reached out to our club to see if their kids could go throw some rocks on the trail after school for a few hours just to get those community service hours, and that's appreciated. So reach out with any of those questions. We'd be more than happy to find something for those kiddos to do.
Yeah, for sure. We can get them the volunteer hours needed.
So say someone's out on the trail and they see something that's wrong, what's the best way to get in touch with the club to hopefully get it corrected?
I guess the fastest way, really, to be honest, would be to call or text me. 715-891-1205. My number is posted everywhere. That'll prompt me to send a message to my crew. We have a messenger group, and one of us will get right on it. So we don't want to let something sit, especially if it's dangerous. You get a tree down on the trail. I know sometimes you can get around it. If you can get the tree off, that's fine. We appreciate that. But if you don't feel you can do it or you're going to hurt yourself, definitely let us know, and we'll get it taken care of.
All right, Junior. Yeah, I guess the last thing that I'll mention is there are other ways to support the club, such as buying merch. We do have merch still out there.
We do have a little bit of merchandise left. Also, we can do custom orders. So if you are interested in having something a certain color, a certain size, of course a certain size, but you want your name on it, whatever it is, we can do that. Just let us know. We're more active on Facebook than we are anything. You can message us on there. You can email the club at LandoverATVClub@outlook.com as well. We'll do whatever we can do to help you out. So just let us know.
Yeah. So anyway, I think that's good. So stay tuned for future videos throughout the season.
And bloopers.
And maybe bloopers.
There's gonna be some bloopers
Probably
because
bloopers.
we just go off the hip here. There's no script. I know some people don't think that's professional, but it's fun.
Unscripted and very much censored.
We're not media, so. But definitely, yeah. If you have recommendations or anything you think, just let us know. We'll do our best to work with you and work with everybody. So,
All right. Well, thanks, Gary Jr. and Lindsay.
sounds good.
Bye.
Bye.